Hi guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you 3 ways on how to scan QR codes on your Android phone. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So the first way to scan QR code using your Android phone is simply going to your camera app. Some phones have QR code reader built in inside the camera app, just like the Samsung S24 that I'm using. It will detect and scan automatically the QR code and give you the link or the content of that QR code. Now the second way, go back to your home screen, open your control center. Now look for the QR code scanner icon. It should look like this. Now let's go ahead and open it. Then you will get to this QR code scanner mode, a feature which is dedicated for scanning QR code. You can also upload the QR code in here from your gallery. You can then see the result, you can make a copy or share it to somebody. Now the last method, and it's the last resort if you don't have the method 1 or 2 on your phone. Just go to Play Store and then search for QR code scanner. I recommend to download the first one with the highest rating. After you install the app, let's open it. As simple as that, you can now scan any QR code on your Android phone using this app. Super easy and serves its purpose. If this video helps you out, please subscribe. That would be a great help for us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.